How to check shipping methods, delivery time, and shipping costs. 1. Check shipping info of EPROLO products. Click Find Product after login. Then open the item. Shipping methods are listed beside shipping. Click it to view more shipping countries and corresponding shipping options. Here you can also check the estimated delivery time. If you want to view real delivery time, click Check. EPROLO provides real orders for reference. And the shipping cost is on the right side. 2. Check shipping info of AliExpress products. After import the AliExpress product, you can check its shipping info easily. Go to Product, Import List. Then click View Product on AliExpress. Now you can view the shipping info.